Hi, I'm Mihir from ViaTerra, and in this episode of Gear Matters, we are diving into a few tips that can help you find a riding pant that fits you correctly. Let's start with the fundamentals. Just like any other pant, a riding pant needs to fit comfortably around your waist and thighs. You should check this fit while standing and also while being seated on a chair or motorcycle. Our stomach and thighs expand in a seated posture, the extent of which varies from person to person. It's critical that the pant is comfortable around these specific areas in this position as well, as you are more likely to be seated on a motorcycle than standing. This should go without saying, but please don't hold your breath or suck in your stomach while checking for fit. No one wins any points by fitting into a smaller size. What matters more is genuine comfort. The pant should not significantly restrict movement, and you should also be able to lift your leg to get on and off the motorcycle. On ViaTerra's riding pants, we use stretch panels at the crotch area that enable easier movement. If the pant that you're trying on uses a non-stretchable material, in this particular area, a slight amount of restriction is to be expected. Now, while standing, check that the length of the pant, at the inseam especially, is correct for your body. An over-the-boot riding pant that fits right should end right at the ankle bone. An in-the-boot riding pant can be a bit shorter because it will be covered by your riding boots and needs to be comfortable on the inside. Most readily available riding pants come with a single inseam length with no scope for adjustment. However, offerings like the ViaTerra Spencer riding pants offer two inseam length options, a shorter version for riders with shorter limbs and a regular for the others. The ViaTerra Monroe riding pants, on the other hand, are entirely custom made to measurement and can also offer increased inseam length for taller riders. When it comes to checking armor positions, we recommend returning to a seated position or simulating the riding posture. Any good riding pant is usually pre-curved to fit best when you are seated on the motorcycle. So, the positioning of armor is also done in a way that the pockets move to the correct position when the knee is bent rather than straight. In the seated posture, check that the armor at the knees, hip and tailbone, if that's included, are positioned correctly and provide adequate coverage. Of course, depending on the size and type of the armor used, the coverage provided will be slightly different, but in the context of this specific video, we are only focused on identifying the armor itself is positioned correctly. At ViaTerra, we specifically pay attention to the position of the knee armor. It should not sit too high on your leg, but rather start slightly over the knee and extend over the shin. In that position, the armor will move along with your leg. If the armor position is too high, the armor will oppose the leg movement, and if it's too low, the protection will be compromised. Remember to use any available inbuilt adjustment mechanisms such as in-pocket adjustments or external cinch straps to position the armor correctly and as close to your body as possible. While it would be fantastic to wear a riding pant and immediately know that it fits perfectly, the reality is that you might need to make some adjustments and also get used to the garment before you begin to feel comfortable in it. Once you find a riding pant that feels like a pretty good fit, it's a good idea to spend at least 10 to 15 minutes in it, simulating various riding postures and making small adjustments here and there until you're sure that you have found the right one for you. If you found this video useful, please drop us a thumbs up and share it forward with a friend who also might derive some value from it. If you have any personal experience or learnings that you would like to share or any other questions for us, please feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and continue riding safe out there.